Hi, good morning everybody. Dear Borodisnu. This is Safira and you're watching Safira's Recipes. So welcome to my channel and I feel so happy and excited that I'm come up with another recipe for you all to cook. Today is my Goan day, so I'm going to make the authentic Goan prawn curry which my mother used to do. So I thought I will do it today. So this curry is made with using a vegetable that is the cauliflower, which I will be cutting and will be making in smaller pieces, and I'll be adding in prawns, that the other shrimps. So with this I'm going to do a coconut masala cauliflower curry. So I have washed the cauliflower thoroughly well, cut them into big pieces, this much big pieces, and then added salt into the water and soaked them for some time, and then drained it off, and these are the pieces now. I've taken 1 cup of shrimps, deveined them. Before that I washed them really well, deveined them, added salt and kept them ready for the recipe. Now you notice I have not cut off the heads because these heads have more taste into them, so I don't want to throw them or waste them. So now here we go with the coconut masala. I have taken 1.5 cup coconut, grated coconut, 6 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, a small ball of tamarind, 2 Kashmiri chilies, 6 small local chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon cumin seeds. I'm now going to grind this into a fine paste. For the tempering, I've taken 1 large onion, chopped them into slices, small fine slices, and 2 large tomatoes. I'm now going to grind this into a fine paste, the coconut and the spices. You can also add in some green chilies whilst grinding the masala, but I had these available with me out of my garden. They are called the Portugal chilies, so they're a little spicy, so I'm going to add this into the mixer. The masala is ground and it's giving a beautiful orange color. So now let's start with my recipe. I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil, that is the olive oil, in the pan and kept it for heating. Then I'll be frying in the onions. The oil is hot and I'm going to add in the onions. I'm going to fry them till they are like golden brown, and then I'll be adding in the tomatoes. The onions have been nice and brown, golden brown. Now I'm going to fry the tomatoes. I'm going to fry them till they are soft. The tomatoes and the onions are well fried. Now I'm going to add in the prawns. I'm going to cook them for a little while because I don't want to overcook them, and then I will be adding the cauliflower and frying them together with the prawns and the tempering, that is the onions and the tomatoes. So I'm keeping them to fry. The prawns are already fried a little bit. I didn't fry them fully. So now I'm adding in the chopped cauliflower, and I'm going to cook it in this for some time. I'm going to cook them for a while. Mix them really well and then close the lid and keep it cooking for about 5 minutes. I have closed the lid and I will be cooking it for 5 minutes. The cauliflowers have been well cooked now, and now I will be adding in the coconut masala which I ground. mixing it really well, and then I will be adding in some water because it's very thick. Adding in some water. I will add it according to how much gravy I want my masala to be. Some of you may like it thick, some of you may like it watery, but I'm going to do it just proportionate. The cauliflower prawn curry is looking really awesome. I need to add in some little salt. So please taste according to your taste. Add your salts. My curry will be ready in another 5 minutes. I will be cooking it for about 5 minutes, waiting to see whether the cauliflower is cooked and whether there's enough salt. So please check in before you put off your heat. And my dear friends, please like, subscribe and share if you like my video and if you're enjoying it. And also please post a comment if you like the video and how it turned out. I'll be really very happy. And also I will keep posting new videos every 2 days or every day, in fact. So do press the bell icon and to get notifications of my upcoming videos. All my curries are very easy to prepare. I made it very easy. It's all available into your kitchen. So enjoy all my recipes and do prepare them. This curry is a speciality of Goa, which my mother used to cook, and it's made of prawns and cauliflower. You can also do this same preparation using ladyfingers or any vegetables of your choice. So you can put in the same recipe, the same ingredients, and just the change of your vegetables. My curry is ready and it can be served. It will go really well with boiled rice, or you can say steamed rice, the local rice that we get in Goa, the boiled rice. And it goes well with some fish on the side and some pickle, or you can also have it with bread or chapatis. So it is that awesome. Enjoy this Goan beautiful preparation of my cauliflower prawn curry. It's ready to serve. I'm going to serve it with some good boiled rice with some vegetable, that is the okra or the ladyfingers. Recipe, you will get it on the link on my description link below. Some good fish fried. For the reshad masala, I'll put in the link in my description below. So this goes really well with boiled rice, vegetable, and the curry, that is the prawn cauliflower coconut curry. All set and ready. This is how lovely my lunch looks today. So you all can try it out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care and bon appetit.